Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Naila Skarfadila. Here I will explain a little about the Introduction to Management.
Introduction to Management. Introduction to Management is a course that introduces management concepts, principles, and practices. The following are some of the main material usually discussed in this course. 1. Definition of management. Definition of management and its importance in organization, management objective, efficiency, and effectiveness. Example of efficiency: reduce operational costs, increase productivity, minimize waste, improve product quality, increase customer satisfaction, use of technology, and better time management. Example of effectiveness: achieving desired result, improving service quality, creating innovation, strengthening work teams, increasing responsiveness, achieving financial targets, and increasing employee performance. Management function: planning, setting goals and planning how to achieve them, organizing, arranging resources to achieve goals, implementing the plans that have been made, controlling, monitoring, and evaluating performance to ensure objectives are achieved. Management environment: external and internal factors that influence organization, business environment analysis. Example of external factor: economy, social and culture, political and legal, technology, environment, and competition. Example of internal factor: human data source, organizational structure, company culture, financial resource, process and system, R&D innovation. Human resource: HR management, employee recruitment, training and development, motivation and job satisfaction. Decision-making process in management, decision-making techniques and tools. Ethics and social responsibility, the importance of ethics in management. Corporate social responsibility. Recent trends in management, database management, agile management, and innovation management. Data management-based example: employee work analysis, inventory management, marketing applied to data, sales prediction, and customer experience. Agile example: software development, marketing project, product design, team management, and service development. Example of innovation: use of analysis data, company culture innovation, application of lean management principles. Types of management function. After knowing the function of management, it can be seen that management in its implementation contains various elements of how to manage a business properly and correctly. The types of management function are as follows. Planning. This type has activities with the aim of determining the company's future direction. Every decision taken will become the basis for the strategy to be made. Next, an evaluation is carried out to assess the effectiveness of the plan. Organizing. This type of management is carried out by involving many people associated with the company, both internal and external parties to the company. For example, outsourcing workers are needed by companies. Type of management for preparing human resources owned by the company. This has become the test of company management, for example in the field of increasing skills or development. Recruitment process. It is important to improve human resources in a company so that the company has quality because humans are the driving force of the company. Direction. In this type, management needs to prepare workers so they can carry out tasks well according to priorities. Therefore, socialization regarding each main task and function needs to be carried out so that they do not overlap. Supervision. Supervision is required to ensure work is complete on time and the process is in accordance with existing standards. Coordination. Done by interacting with people involved with the company either directly or indirectly. The purpose of this function is to make the company internal competition healthier and more productive. Reporting.
tasked with documenting all progress obtained by the company, which can later be assessed together. Evaluation. Its function is to improve what needs to be improved and fix what is wrong. Budget determination. This type of management function cannot be separated from budget determination, which is also included in the planning process. The task of company management is to prepare finances well to assess whether they have achieved targets or not. Instruction. This type of management is useful for giving orders of managing tasks to someone according to their expertise, so you can carry out your duties well. This function is also inseparable from the monitoring and coordination function. Motivation. Management function in a company need to create motivation. Motivation is useful for making employee performance more optimal. Examples of motivation are a comfortable environment, appropriate salary, rewards, and aids. You certain what must be in the management function. In order to carry out management function well, there are several elements that must be directly involved in each process. If not, then the management function will not function optimally or will even damage the plans and structures that have been prepared. The following elements must be present in the management function. 1. Human. The human element is an important element in management. Human create goals and carry out process to achieve these goals. The human element needs to be managed in managed such as planning, organizing, controlling, and supervising. In an organization, the placement of the right people can determine the process of achieving goals. For example, division of labor and setting working hours. 2. Money. Money is used to achieve goals within the organization. One of the management process will be influenced by finances. So, financial management needs to be taken into account so that it is effective and efficient. 3. Material. Raw material or materials are very vital in the production process. Companies cannot process something for sale without raw material. Experts are really need to process raw material into finished or semi-finished goods. Human resources and raw materials are closely related to each other and cannot be separated. 4. Method. The method is used to provide various considerations ranging from facilities, time, money, and targets. The method also makes the job easier. Work can run effectively and efficiently if it is done with the right method. A work method needs to consider goals, facilities, time, money, and business activities. 5. Market. Management product result need to target a specific market or society at large. However, management product can fail and stop being product. So that people want to active and recognize their product, management needs marketing skills. Because there is not demand and this could result in production stopping, even company activities can go silent. These management functions have an important role in carrying out various activities within the scope of the company or organization. It can also be concluded that management is the foundation of business activities.